So as I'm a new investor looking to get into this space, I want to be sure that I'm protecting my investment. What advice do you have for me?
Are you saying like you're new and you haven't invested yet?
Yeah, I got some cash set aside. I'm not going to be the one put the deal together.
Yeah, again, I would say invest with experienced people that you get to like and trust. And honestly, I would even say trust. You don't even need to like them. Invest with experienced people that you trust and verify them. Like if they say they've done so many deals, like you can't just take their word for it because everybody right now is going to have a resume that looks great. So like get to know people and get to trust people and get to understand some of the basics. And that's why I'm so passionate about education. Some of the gurus will say like, oh, don't invest in a mentorship program. That's just $30,000 that you could be putting into a deal. And I'm like, yeah, but you put the $30,000 into your own education and it's going to serve you for the rest of your life. Like that's what people don't see. It's like that. The investments I made in mentorship and masterminds and the content that I've gotten and the lessons learned are not just for that 1 year that I was in that program. It's for the whole rest of my life because it's teaching you concepts and fundamentals and principles and best practices that once you have that information, nobody could ever take it away from you. So my best advice to people is get involved with real estate clubs or mentorship programs. Get to know who the top people are. Like when I say the top people, I mean who are the most successful students that have been around for a while, and what resources do they have, and how would they handle a downturn? You know, how would they get through a drop in occupancy, or if the insurance triples, or you know, what type of debt do they have, and when is their loan due? And so these are important things that passive investors need to know so they can protect themselves. Like passive investors, you are responsible for the investments that you make.
Yes, do your own due diligence.
Yeah. And so get educated.
I'm a big believer in educations. I think it's totally worth it to join group because it's the knowledge, the collective knowledge that you gain. You just can't learn from YouTube or podcasts, right?
It's true. It's like there's no substitute for being around people that are doing what it is that you want to do. Like you can get bits and pieces from books and podcasts and blogs, but that's not gonna get you through like a challenging situation. It's the network of people and how many resources you have that's going to get you through that, and it's going to elevate you up faster.
So Brad, what are some of the biggest challenges that you see today for people who are getting into this multifamily space?
Well, there's two things right now that they're starting to lessen a little bit. One is the last 3 months, there have been like almost no deals on the market because the debt, I would just say the last 3 months, getting new debt has been the biggest problem. You know, every other month, the Fed was raising rates. And so lenders, they don't know how to price their debt. And so they were just making it super expensive. They were like, well, we don't know. All we know is the rates are going up, up, up. And if we lend money, it's really risky.
This episode is brought to you by National Real Estate Insurance Group, a national independent insurance agency specifically for real estate investors. I personally use an REIG for my investment properties. They offer a low monthly payment option to help you to lower your cash out-of-pocket when buying an investment property. If you're looking for insurance coverage for your flips or your rental, reach out to them. You can click on the link in the show descriptions, or you can reach out to Jules at 816-946-8443.